This is a video tutorial to show you how to set up your marketing system. Before I go through the setup process, I want to tell you about the Team Leader system. The Team Leader system gives you your own white label marketing system that you can give away for free to every prospect and team member. Every prospect gets an automatic duplicate of your system upon registration. They're going to get a duplicate of your landing page and they're going to get a duplicate of your back office. So any banner that you have set, any logo or banner you have set at the top of your back office, they're going to see that when they log into their system, and it's going to be clickable to your business website. The only way they can remove your banner is by getting the Team Leader system theirself. So it's a great way to market to people just by giving them the free system, and every time they log in to use their free system, they're going to see your advertisement right at the top. Every prospect that joins your business gets a free upgrade and a free Click-to-Mize system. So they're going to get the full features of the system enabled just for joining your business. You can set a welcome video, and everyone that logs into the system is going to see that welcome video every time they log in. Right? The first thing they see when they log into their system, they're going to see your welcome video. You can set 2 custom banners at the bottom of your back office that every prospect and team member is going to see every time they log into their system. So you can promote 2 other affiliate offers as well. You also get a 15 URL rotator so you can do co-op advertising with your team. So those are the advantages of getting the Team Leader system. It's $29.95 a month, and we pay you 50% commissions on it. So if you just refer 2 people and they get the Team Leader system, yours is free. Now let me take you through the marketing system setup. Okay, when you log into your marketing system, you're going to see this page. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see where it says Begin Duplicatable Landing Page Setup. First thing you need to do is connect to the lead system. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to fill out a form. Just fill out that form, and then it's going to take you to another page where you need to connect with Facebook. Make sure you connect with Facebook and give Facebook permissions to connect to the Income for Sharing network. Now this is the system that stores your prospects if you use our free referral system. So make sure you register for this and connect with Facebook, and then click on Profile in the upper right hand corner. And this is where you're going to see your Income for Sharing network username after the @ sign. So go into their system and enter your username right here after the @ sign. So everything but the @ sign. Okay, the next thing you need to do is enter your business URL in this box, and then enter your Facebook URL in the third box and press submit. Okay, that's going to take you to the next page. Now what you need to do is select your marketing system landing page. By default, we have a horizontal page with a Facebook and free system header. Now, as a free member, you cannot remove the Facebook and free system header because that automatically refers people to register and get the system from you. But if you're an upgraded member and you want to remove that free system header, you can do so. Next thing is you're going to want to set a text and border color. So your text is going to be shown on your landing page usually over a picture background. So what we want to do is put a border around your text so you can see it even though the background is there. So what you want to do is, if you have a light background, you're going to want to select black text with a white background. And if you have a dark background, you're going to want to set white text with a black background. And then you can set the transparency percentage of the border that goes around your text. If you want it to be very transparent, you do a lesser number. So if you want it to be completely invisible, you do 0. If you want it to be completely solid, you do 99. Next thing you can do here is enable exit pop-ups. If you're a free member, you cannot disable exit pop-ups. You have to have those enabled, and those are going to send people to your registration page where they can get their own free system from you. But if you're if you're an upgraded member and you want to disable the exit pop-ups, you're welcome to do that. Okay, the next thing, just press submit at the bottom of this page after you set your landing page. Now you're going to optimize your system for social media posting. So This is going to create a picture, title, and description every time you post your URL on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, or other social media websites. It's going to generate this picture, title, and description. Okay, the next thing, press submit again. I'll take you to the next page. Now on this page is where you can enter a URL for any button, or you can use one of our system buttons by clicking on this button here at the top. Click on that, then you've got an option to select two buttons, one for your first page and one for your second page. If you're only going to use one page, then just select the first one, go through these drop-down options and choose the button that you want, and then just press submit at the bottom. Now what that's going to do is that's going to put the image URLs in these first two boxes, landing page button and the second video page button. Okay. Next thing you want to do is set a banner. If you have a banner for your business that you want to put on your landing page, you can just go to any picture and right click on that and copy the image URL and then paste that into this box. So you can do one banner for your landing page and one banner for your second video page, or you could use the same banner for both if you like. Okay, the next thing is you want to set a destination URL where people go when they click on your banner or button. So just enter any website where you want people to go to, be your business website or anything else, just enter that in these two boxes for your landing page and for your second video page. Okay, now this custom button text, if you have an image in the boxes at the top, then you're just going to leave that blank. But if you don't have an image in the boxes at the top, then you can set what you want your button to say, and it's going to generate a button on your page that's going to say anything you want it to say. And then you can customize the colors and everything for that button if you just click on these instructions underneath the CSS code for custom button box. And that just enables you to create your own custom CSS code. It's a button generator, and then you can enter the CSS code in that box to have your button be exactly how you want it to be. And again, you don't even need to enter anything in these two boxes if you have a picture set up here, because your picture is going to override any settings you have in these two boxes. Okay, so once you've finished with that page, actually there's two more things here. Offer heading 1 and offer heading 2. If you want to have a heading on your page that talks about what you're offering, then you can put text in these two boxes. Offer heading 1 is going to be bold, bigger text, and offer heading 2 is going to be a little smaller and not bold. All right, so after you've done that page, press submit. Okay, the next page is going to be where you choose whether or not you want to enable lead capture forms. And it's as simple as just checking yes. If you want to just use our free prospect manager, if you check yes here, they're going to automatically be sent into the Income for Sharing Network prospect manager. And if you just click on your prospects there, you're going to see the list of everyone that's filled out your form. So if you just check yes here, that's what's going to happen. Now if you're an upgraded member, you can get integrated autoresponders, and you can also use any other autoresponder and list building service that you want. If you just click on this link right here, you can set up your own autoresponders to work with the system. Just for each, we've got Aweber or GetResponse at the top, Power Lead System. Just for whatever you're using, go through these instructions here to set up your own autoresponder system. Okay, now once you've done that, press submit. Okay, here's where you're going to set your background picture. So you can select any of these backgrounds we have. You can just go through this list and choose one, and it's going to display that background. Give you a little preview of that background. And then once you've selected the background picture that you want, then you just go down and press submit. Now, if you want to set your own custom background picture, you can set any picture you want as long as it's licensed for use. You don't want to use an unlicensed picture because you could get sued for that. But if you upgrade your system, then you could set any custom background picture and YouTube video. So any YouTube video you can have play in your background if you upgrade your system. So once you finish with this, just press submit. You're going to see that's changed your background now inside your back office. Okay, now you'll be taken to the page where you set your YouTube videos. Now you can take any YouTube video, just go to the bottom of the YouTube video and click on share, and then paste the URL for that share link into this box, and that's going to put the video on your landing page. And then you can set a starting second. Let's say you have an intro, a long intro of a video, and you want to just skip past that and get to what you really want people to hear. You can set the starting second here. Next thing, if you want to have a second video page, you can enter text in this box here where it says text under video that links to second video. Just enter something like click here to watch the next video, and then you can enter a YouTube video share URL in this second video box, and then you can also set a starting second here. Okay, now you've got the option to check whether or not you want to autoplay videos. When people go to your page, if you have that set to yes, it's going to start your video automatically. If you have that set to no, then they have to click on play. If you allow video control, then they can scroll through your video they can skip part of it if they want. If you have that checked to no, then all they can do is play or pause your video. If you don't like the size of the video on your landing page, if you don't like our default size, you can set a custom width and height for your video too. Once you've done doing that, just press submit. Also, if you don't even want to have a video on your page, if you just want to have a banner, you can do that as well. Just leave those boxes blank. Okay, now this next page is going to be our custom content page. This is where you can enter your own custom content, JavaScript, HTML. Say if you have a live chat program you want to put on your page, or a popover form, you can enter that in these boxes. We've also got instructions here for you to put a Facebook badge on your page if you'd like. Click here and that will give you instructions to put on your Facebook badge. And we've got down here a Facebook comments instructions. If you click on that, that will show you how to put Facebook comments on your page. And you just enter the HTML code into this box, and that's going to enable your Facebook comments. And then just press submit when you're done entering any custom content into these boxes that you like. Okay, that's going to take you. Your marketing system is now set up. Your landing page will now be working. This is going to take you to the main page where you can view all your URLs here. And if you have this notice here, and there'll be a video tutorial, it will say your affiliate URLs are not set. Click here to set your affiliate URLs. You want to click on that, and this is how you're going to get paid 50% commissions for everyone that gets the upgrades or the team leader system. So make sure you have a JVZoo account, and then just click on these links. It says click here to become an affiliate for each of these three: the Clicktomize system, the marketing system upgrade, and the team leader system. And then everyone that you refer who gets these upgrades, you're going to get paid 50% commissions, and that's a monthly subscription. So you get paid $5 a month on Clicktomize, $5 a month on the marketing system upgrade, and $15 a month on the team leader system. So just click on these links to get your affiliate URLs, and then enter them in the boxes for each of these three upgrades. And then just press submit. And once you've done that, you should see this video tutorial, and this link here will disappear. And then if you want to get your upgrades, you can click on these banners to get the upgrades. And here's where you can see your landing page URLs. If you just click on any of these, it's going to take you to your landing page, and you can see exactly how it looks. And then you can go back in here and change it for any way you want. You just scroll over Customize Landing Page, and you can click on Banner, Button, Videos, Background, Offer Headings, Lead Capture Forms, Custom Content. So you can go back in and change anything you want quickly just by going to these different options. If you want to select a different landing page layout, you can just scroll over Setup Marketing System and then click on that. If you want to optimize for social media, scroll over Setup Marketing System, Optimize for social media. If you want to select set up a webinar or a timed offer, you can click on that, and you can set up your webinar page here, or just a countdown. Say you have an offer you want to only you want to offer for a limited time and then it expires. You can set a countdown timer here to do that. And then you can select that as your landing page. If you click on select landing page and then scroll down here, you would just select webinar timed offer as your landing page, and then that's going to be what you have on your landing page. And if you need to go in and make sure your affiliate URLs are set, just scroll over Set Up Marketing System and click on Set Affiliate URLs. Okay, now if you want to get one of the upgrades, just click on Upgrade and Import Settings, and then click on Upgrade and Import Settings again here. And that's going to take you to the page where you can get the upgrades. And if the person that referred you has the Team Leader system, all you have to do is join their business and you're going to get your upgrades for free, except for the Team Leader system. And then if you get the Team Leader system, you're going to be able to replace the banners of the person that referred you with your own, and everyone that you give the system to is then going to see your own banners.